Rottweiler and basic first aid, essential skills every owner should know. Having a Rottweiler as a pet can bring joy and companionship to any dog lover. However, owning such a powerful breed comes with great responsibility. As a Rottweiler owner, it is essential to have the knowledge and skills to provide basic first aid when necessary. This article aims to highlight some basic first aid skills that every Rottweiler owner should know. First and foremost, it is crucial for every Rottweiler owner to be aware of the common health issues that this breed may face. Rottweilers are prone to certain health conditions, such as hip dysplasia, heart disease, and bloat. By familiarizing yourself with these potential health problems, you will be better prepared to recognize the signs and symptoms of any medical emergency. When it comes to basic first aid, one of the most important skills to have is the ability to perform CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. CPR can be a life-saving technique for a dog experiencing cardiac arrest or choking. Although it is recommended to attend a proper CPR training course specifically designed for dogs, there are some simple guidelines that every Rottweiler owner can follow in an emergency situation. The first step in performing CPR on a Rottweiler is to ensure that the dog is in a safe and stable position. Lay the dog on its side on a flat surface and extend its neck gently to straighten the airway. Next, check for any signs of breathing by placing your ear close to the dog's chest and listening for breath sounds. If there is no breathing detected, proceed to assess the pulse by feeling for it in the femoral artery located on the inner thigh. If no pulse is detected, it is time to initiate chest compressions. The technique for performing chest compressions on a dog is very similar to that of a human. Place the palm of your hand on the widest part of the chest and interlace your fingers. Apply firm and rhythmic compressions, aiming for a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. After 30 compressions, provide 2 breaths by closing the dog's mouth and nose and blowing into its nostrils until the chest rises. Another essential first aid skill for Rottweiler owners to possess is the ability to administer basic wound care. Rottweilers are active and energetic dogs, which means they are more susceptible to injuries such as cuts, scrapes, and lacerations. It is important to have a well-stocked first aid kit at home, which includes items such as antiseptic solution, sterile gauze pads, adhesive tape, and rolls of vet wrap. When treating a wound on a Rottweiler, it is crucial to keep calm and gentle to avoid causing unnecessary distress to the dog. Begin by rinsing the wound with clean water to remove any debris or dirt. If the wound is bleeding heavily, apply gentle pressure to help control the bleeding. Once the bleeding is under control, clean the wound with an antiseptic solution, making sure to remove any foreign objects. Finally, cover the wound with a sterile dressing and secure it with adhesive tape or vet wrap. In addition to CPR and wound care, knowing how to deal with common ailments such as diarrhea, vomiting, and allergic reactions is also essential for every Rottweiler owner. Understanding the causes and appropriate treatments for these issues can help alleviate the discomfort and prevent further complications for your four-legged friend. While basic first aid skills can be invaluable in times of emergency, it is important to remember that they are not a substitute for professional veterinary care. If your Rottweiler's condition does not improve or if the situation seems life-threatening, it is crucial to seek immediate veterinary attention. In conclusion, being a responsible Rottweiler owner goes beyond providing food, shelter, and love. It entails having the knowledge and skills to provide basic first aid when necessary. By acquiring the necessary skills in CPR, wound care, and common ailments, you can ensure the health and well-being of your Rottweiler and be prepared to handle any medical emergency that may arise. Remember, your Rottweiler depends on you for their safety and care.